So good morning, good afternoon and very good evening. All my dear students, all of audience. Students, in the series of my video, this is Birendra Moore from Unique Concept Classes. I am going to teach you today English class 12 Vistas, chapter number 1, the third level. In this chapter, I will explain you the third level written by Jacques Finney. Jacques Finney, he described the three major characters of this chapter. Charlie, a 31 years old man, his wife Lucia, and his friend Sam, who is a psychiatrist. Psychiatrist means a person who treats ill-minded like a doctor. So students, this story is very complex story. Mostly students are unable to understand this story. So in the series of this, I would like to make you understand very clearly that this chapter is not written series wise. This is very complex chapter that is written in jumbled way. So for understanding of this chapter, students have to face problem and they will not get very well. So I will make you understand, I will make you sure that you will get it very well, whatever I am going to teach you. So but only if you like, then you need to also like, comment and share. But don't forget to subscribe of my channel and even press the bell icon so that you can get the latest video of mine and you will get notified. So I am giving you Charlie, who was working in an office, and at the time we was working in his office, he was getting late at evening. When he was getting late in evening, he thought that he wanted to meet his wife Lucia, or he felt to meet his wife Lucia. So he decided to go at the railway station. The name of that railway station is New York Railway Station. New York Railway Station. That is on that railway station. That name is Grand Central Railway Station. So Charlie went from his office directly to New York Central Railway Station. There was the name of that station was Grand Central Railway Station. So Charlie went at the, everybody know there was two level of that railway station, but Charlie went at the first level. When he saw that, he missed his train. Now Charlie decided to go another level. When he went at the second level, he again found same problem that the train he missed. Charlie decided he was too nervous and he was returning back toward his home, but while he was returning, he heard the sound of people. They were talking, they were discussing. So when Charlie turned back, he found that they were talking and the people were some amazing people. They were extremely different people, and they were also eyes like that. They were eyes like that he was sure that they were extremely different as he used to find before. So now Charlie has decided to that. This story was plotted in 1958 after the World War I and World War II. So when he reached there, he saw there the wooden notice board, a very small room and very different platform. So Charlie compared that railway station to a tree. He thought that as tree grown up and there were many development, same that railway station may be developed. So he was confused to see that when he moved there, people, they wore the different types of clothes. They were extremely different than the first and second level people. So Charlie went at a ticket counter. When he went there, he wanted to purchase a ticket for going to Galesburg. So Galesburg, place name where he wanted to go, where his friend, his family member were living. So when he went at the ticket counter and tried to give money to the ticket counter man or the ticket collector, when he saw that, he said to Charlie that you are giving me fake note or fake currency, so I will call you police. So Charlie, when he listened this, he was surprised. So at once Charlie returned back from there and came toward his home. And when he returned back his home, he went to his friend, psychiatrist friend Sam. When he reached at the home of Sam, he found there, Sam told that this is an illusion. People want to live, people want to or you want to secure from the illusion like such type of reality, so that they do as like that's in modern era, that's like such in that time that was common. So Charlie told at the time to Sam told to Charlie that this is a common fact, and he told about the stamp collection. He told about the famous name of American President Roosevelt. He told that Roosevelt used to collect stamp, and he during this World War II he secured his enemy, or he secured his military. So how he became very famous in America. And Charlie knew that his father was also his grandfather, and his grandfather also was a stamp collector. He used to collect stamp and do like that. So he didn't believe that as whatever Sam told to him. So he get back his home. After getting back his home, when Charlie went to bank, so he was not getting back. When at the railway station at the time, when on the third level, Charlie found there was a man, a newspaper boy who was selling newspaper, and the name of that newspaper was The World. And when Charlie took the newspaper and found on the head point, or the main point, or the top point of the newspaper, there was headed 11 June 1894. When he thought that, he made a plan that now he will sure to go to Galesburg. So when he also found that at the time, returned back and getting back his home, and again he became and went to the bank. When he next day went to the bank, and after going there, he exchanged his dollar or currency, 300 currency, into old currency. That in exchange he found only 200 currency. So the friend of Charlie, friend of Charlie, they amazed that Charlie had to pay the premium of his policy, because he purchased something and he took an installment on premium. So why he also exchanged his money from 300 currency into 200 currency? So they were amazed, but Charlie decided to go to Galesburg. When he returned from there, Charlie and his wife Lucia, they decided to, when he came at home, they found that Sam was missing for many days. Now Charlie and his wife Lucia, they decided to go to search out of Sam. They tried their best, but they did not get Sam. When they get back and they found that now Charlie was not anywhere. Sam was not anywhere. When after reaching there, now Charlie again went at the coin section. When he went at the coin section, he found that Sam has also exchanged his $800 into old coin, and he reached to Galesburg. So when he reached at his home, and Charlie and his wife Lucia, they were searching in his stamp box and searching there, they found a letter. In that letter there was written and invited to Charlie's father in Galesburg, and mentioned there Sam had already reached in Galesburg, and he invited to Charlie and his wife Lucia to there, and because he was also too happy that now Sam have reached there and we need to move there. So about this chapter, in the end of this chapter, so the chapter is ended here, and this was not sure in this chapter, this was not sure that the third label was really third label or not, because when next day Charlie went at the same Grand Center railway station, he was searching the third label, he didn't find the third label, because there was only one medium to reach Galesburg to Sam from that label, and that's third label was not in exist there when he went at the second time. So that's all about the chapter. I hope that you will get it well. I believe that you can also get it well, and hope that you can achieve this.